Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have the power to make their wishes come true, while others struggle their entire lives without achieving what they desire? The secret may lie in an ancient Buddhist wisdom that few know and even fewer practice. Contrary to popular belief, the key to manifestation is not merely hard work or complicated strategies that promise quick prosperity. Gautama Buddha revealed a powerful principle that, when understood, completely transforms how you view your own life and the path to abundance. Yes, that's right. What you desire may be much closer than you think. And the most surprising part? It has nothing to do with excessive effort, but something much simpler and deeper, directly linked to your karma and alignment with cosmic energies. If you want to learn how to finally make your wishes come true, stay with me. The secret is about to be revealed. The power of words. Words have an impact that goes far beyond what we usually imagine. When someone uses the right words at the right time, it's like igniting a flame of transformation in the life of the listener. Consider a simple situation. A person feeling disheartened in their spiritual path, doubting the power of karma and their life mission. Now, imagine the effect a simple statement like, "You have within you the cosmic energy needed to rewrite your destiny" can have. Such a phrase can bring back hope, realign focus on the pursuit of prosperity, and encourage the practice of meditation. It's not magic. It's the power of words. Words are the tool that connects the mind with the heart, bringing forth emotions and awakening feelings of gratitude and enlightenment. In the path of Buddhist teachings, we understand that each word carries an energetic vibration, capable of attracting either fortune or misfortune, depending on how it is used. A practical example? Consider someone who repeatedly says, "I will never be successful." This constant repetition affects not only the energy around the person, but also their own capacity to manifest abundance. Instead, changing the internal dialogue to something positive like, "My life is filled with blessings and prosperity," can initiate a new journey of manifestation. In the spiritual universe, every word we speak can plant a seed of growth or one of destruction. That's why Buddhist teachings invite us to practice mindfulness in our communication, knowing that even a simple conversation can alter the flow of karma. So the next time you talk about your life mission or your dreams of prosperity, remember, your words could be the key that opens the doors to spiritual and material wealth. And of course, don't underestimate the power of a small gesture of gratitude. It speaks volumes, even in silence. Correct use of words. Words are like arrows, and the secret lies in directing them accurately. Imagine a situation where someone is struggling to find their path in life, feeling lost amid challenges with money and bad luck. If you know how to choose the right words, you can turn that conversation into an opportunity for realignment. Saying something like, "Your destiny is guided by the energy of the universe, and your prosperity is on its way," can rescue the person from negativity and set them back on the path to abundance. The right words can attract fortune, good luck, and direct energy towards success. When you accurately direct your words, they have the power to heal emotional wounds and strengthen bonds. Consider a strained friendship. Sometimes, a simple phrase like, "I appreciate everything we've been through together," can mend the connection and bring a new chance for the relationship. In the context of spiritual growth, words that emphasize the power of karma and the importance of mindfulness can reorient someone who has strayed from their life mission. Ancient wisdom always reminds us that conscious communication brings us closer to enlightenment. Knowing when and how to convey your message with intention is a skill anyone can develop through practice. If you want to bring change to your life or someone else's, start by observing the intention behind each word. A useful practice is to incorporate small rituals of gratitude and blessings into your conversations. Phrases like, "I bless your path with light and abundance," can completely shift the energy of an interaction. In this way, your words not only hit the target but also carry the power to transform realities and align destiny with true life mission. The art of speaking. Speaking is an art that few master, but when done correctly, it can change lives. Imagine an ordinary person who, by using words wisely, gains respect and admiration wherever they go. They don't need academic titles or a long list of qualifications. They have simply mastered the ability to communicate their truth with clarity and confidence. On the spiritual journey, for example, those who understand Buddhist teachings know that with just a few well-chosen words, it's possible to bring inner peace and guide others toward positive karma and enlightenment. This is how many thrive and attract abundance. The beauty of this art lies in its simplicity. Those who can speak with wisdom and purpose find a source of wealth that extends beyond the material. Their words inspire, motivate, and awaken others to their own journeys of spiritual growth. An example. Think of those moments when someone discusses mindfulness or the importance of silence. A good communicator transforms a simple teaching into a powerful tool for manifesting fortune and success. In this way, they use this ability not only for themselves but to elevate the destiny of those who listen. This power is available to anyone who chooses to practice the art of speaking. You don't need to master all the techniques of public speaking. You just need to know when and how to convey your message with intention. Those who master this skill can earn respect and recognition, whether among friends or in a larger community. And when aligned with the power of karma and positive energy, this art becomes a direct pathway to success, attracting blessings and prosperity. But for all this to work, it's essential to remember that the proper use of words will always be the key to opening the doors to true abundance. Expressing emotions. When we add emotions to our words, we create a direct bridge to the heart of those who listen. Imagine someone facing financial difficulties and questioning their spiritual path. If you can connect with them emotionally by saying something like, "I understand your pain, but know that prosperity is within your reach," you can ignite a spark of hope. The difference lies in the intention and energy you put into your words. Just as Buddhist teachings instruct us, by conveying words with compassion, we are cultivating good seeds of karma and creating a positive vibration around us. This emotional bond is also a powerful form of manifestation. When we speak with sincerity and emotion, our words become much more effective. A good example is when someone expresses gratitude. Simply saying, "I am grateful" differs from saying it with an open heart, feeling the energy of gratitude flowing. When we express genuine emotions, we attract abundance and blessings into our lives, as the vibrations we send out to the universe return multiplied. This is how prosperity and success manifest, resulting from emotionally charged and conscious communication. Emotions, when well expressed, not only touch those who are listening but also empower the speaker. Imagine a spiritual ritual where, by expressing deep feelings of gratitude and inner peace, you elevate your own energy and connect with the cosmic power of the universe. By incorporating emotions into your words, you not only influence the destinies of others but also strengthen your own journey of enlightenment and spiritual growth. Words infused with emotion possess the power to transform both the speaker and the listener. Speak less. Wisdom lies in speaking less and listening more. Often, we feel the need to fill silence with words, but Buddhist teachings remind us that silence is a form of wisdom. Instead of lengthy speeches, it is better to choose our words carefully and speak only what is necessary. Imagine someone who, rather than engaging in endless discussions, chooses to remain silent and observe. This behavior reflects a profound connection to their spiritual path and the practice of mindfulness. The clarity and impact of a few well-chosen words, spoken with intention, can change the course of a conversation or even a life. Being direct and concise is a virtue that few master, but it can lead to great prosperity. When you speak less but with precision, each word carries more weight. Consider conflict situations where a wise person expresses themselves clearly and succinctly, without being swayed by fleeting emotions. This control reflects self-awareness and a consistent meditation practice. Just as an architect plans every detail before constructing a masterpiece, we too should plan our words before we speak. The result: more clarity, greater inner peace, and positive energy that attracts good opportunities and wards off misfortune. Additionally, speaking less gives us the chance to listen more, and it is through listening that we learn. Many miss great opportunities for prosperity by talking too much and not listening enough. When we remain silent, we allow ancient wisdom to guide us and the universe to send us the answers we seek. By practicing conscious silence, you create space for spiritual alignment and the manifestation of abundance. Thus, the next step on your spiritual journey may lie in the simplicity of a well-placed word or, in many cases, in the choice of silence. The art of speaking with confidence. Confidence is the soul of effective communication. When someone speaks with confidence, their words carry a weight that goes beyond mere content. They become credible and inspiring. Imagine a person who, while discussing their spiritual journey, conveys such conviction that those around them begin to believe in their power to manifest fortune and prosperity. This confidence stems not only from knowledge but from an inner certainty that what is being said is grounded in truth, connected to karma and the universe's energy. Speaking with confidence opens doors to success and attracts abundance into our lives. Speaking confidently is also a way to attract good energy and ward off misfortune. When we convey a message with assurance, those around us absorb that positive energy. Think of a spiritual leader guiding their community with a firm yet calm voice. Their confidence creates an atmosphere of spiritual protection and growth, encouraging all who listen to believe they too can navigate their own path toward enlightenment and material success. It is this strength that draws blessings, good fortune, and even prosperity. However, remember that confidence is not arrogance. It reflects the alignment between what you believe and what you say. A practical example of this is when we talk about the practice of meditation. If someone confidently expresses the benefits of daily meditation, such as inner peace, mental clarity, and energetic balance, the conviction in their words makes the listener want to follow the same path. This power of influence arises from inner certainty, and by cultivating it, you become a magnet for success, luck, and prosperity in all areas of life. Have you realized how this knowledge can transform your life? Now that you hold the secrets to making your desires a reality, what will you do with this information? True change begins with action. So the question is, are you ready to apply everything you've learned? If you genuinely want to prosper, attract abundance, and align your energy with the universe, start now. And remember, the first step is always the most important. Let this wisdom guide you on the path to success and enlightenment. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to continue learning more about transforming your life with Buddhist teachings. Speaking of transformation, you won't want to miss the next video. Stay silent in these 10 places and watch your life transform. Buddhist Secret Revealed. In it, you'll discover why silence in certain moments can be your greatest ally on the path to inner peace and prosperity. Trust me, this is the next step you need to take.